Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Holy cow, guys. The information I'm about to bring to you guys today is incredibly shocking and interesting, and potentially another big factor to the use case of XRP. And we're going to get into that today because this news is honestly amazing and you guys are going to love it. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. XRP. So last night on the late night bull run stream, hoping to have one tonight again at around 9 p.m. PST. If the price, is getting interesting and is, making approaches back to the higher highs, then I will definitely have the bull run stream later tonight at 9 p.m. So exactly what we wanted to see here. This is, what I said on stream was, hey, of course we would love it to just break through right here and just keep going up and up and up and just go straight up. But what happens is we would just immediately come right back down and just wick super hard and probably drop even further. So I was kind of saying that, hey, a retracement, would be ideal here following with consolidation. So what are we seeing here? See sell-off, then big sell-off to 37 cents. Market goes, hey, you know what? 37 cents, really good price on XRP. We're going to buy this all the way up. They try to come down again, and they don't even break 39, and they already wick back up to 40. And then now it's the exact same thing, but now it's closer to the support level, and I think we're going to continue either testing it or consolidating at it. But honestly, guys, as long as we don't break down from the 40-cent range, I honestly think the next few weeks are going to be bullish. And then Bitcoin, 78.44, not too exciting. I'm a little bit more excited about XRP right now on the retrace it's having. So let's go ahead and get into it. So a while ago, February 28th, 2019, Xpring ended up posting a blog explaining how they are investing in Kava. Now, what Xpring is it is a division of Ripple that specifically goes out and invests in new companies and new startups that want to make their, essentially integrate their business model with the XRP ledger. So they invest in the companies. In return from the investment, they end up, building a use case around the currency itself. So that's where it's really smart, and a good way to kind of further and accelerate the adoption of the XRP ledger is actually going to all these people who are just like Ripple, kind of starting out and just getting things going for them. Because of course, guys, Ripple isn't going to be the only successful blockchain company out there. There's going to be hundreds upon hundreds of successful blockchain companies out there. Right, and they are, they are going to be essentially now building on top of the XRP ledger because of Ripple's seed capital investment from the very beginning, and that's how you end up having businesses in the future 100% integrated with XRP, is because of things like this. So they invested in a company called Kava, the first interledger solutions provider, and look and check out what they actually launched here. Kava Labs USDX. And check this out, Bank XRP posted it for us in the replies. USDX is a XRP-backed stablecoin. The USDX stablecoin system is implemented as a Cosmos zone designed to peg in XRP, issue an XRP collateralized token called USDX, and dynamically maintain its price stability to USD with decentralized mechanisms. The native token of the USDX blockchain is XRS, a governance and validation taken that is staked by validators who vote on blocks and participate in governance. So what we have here is a literally XRP-backed stablecoin, and thus XRP would have to be locked up and stored in reserves to be able to actually function on this stablecoin. Now, if we read further into it, look at this right here at usdx.cash.com. USDX wallet, instant transfers without banks, borders, or fees. And guys, this is a little bit of XRP getting into the consumer use case. Because again, USDX wallet and Kava, they're not exactly some sort of significant financial banking institution in the global economy. So this is kind of Ripple. I see them dipping their toes into investing into more consumer-facing applications, because I think based on Wheatsewin's XRP Tipbot, I think that may have actually shown Ripple the potential of actually building consumer applications built around XRP, because I 100% understand they're institutional facing with their software and technology, but it's smart of them to just invest a little bit of their time and resources and funds into the consumer-facing applications. And that's where we're seeing this. USDX wallet, get on Google Play and available on the App Store. And I believe this is actually available right now. And it's instant transfers without banks, borders, or fees. So guys, we now have a stable coin that's going to be backed by XRP. Now, if you guys are asking yourself, Alex, why the heck would they even care about doing this? I know you probably heard me talk a lot of crap about stable coins, such as USDT and other ones that are very fraudulent. But of course, you know, if this one's actually going to be done properly and professionally, actually backed with physical, or well, you know, quote, physical XRP, that's where, you know, it would actually be something where it takes XRP out of the ecosystem and takes it out of the market and puts it into reserves. And thus now you're just having a whole nother use case for XRP now backing stablecoins. So again, why would they want to do this? Again, you know, stable coins don't have the same benefit as XRP. XRP is definitely faster. It's cheaper to use. It's, you know, there's no counterparty risk since you're on a neutral platform. But, you know, stable coins, they do have their niche specific use cases. There is use for stable coins out there. For example, traders and speculators, that stable coins is what they will sell into, and, you know, eventually just have their money sit there until they see the opportunity for another trade. And there's other use cases, you know, where stable coins really fit, where it's better than XRP. But for the most part, again, it makes more sense just to use XRP. But at the end of the day, there still is demand for stable coin usage. And thus, actually, it's not only just a stable coin, it's a stable coin connected to a platform for instant transfers without banks, borders, or fees. So, guys, yeah, they have built an incredible consumer-facing application, and I cannot wait to try this out myself and see this spread across the world. Because, guys, the XRP Tipbot was built only a year ago, and there's been a crazy number of transactions that has hit over the application. So, even though Ripple is institutional facing, they're institutional facing, right? But at the same time, it does make sense to invest a little bit of your resources and funding into the consumer facing applications because they can get just as good with adoption. So, pretty cool stuff there, guys. USDX, XRP-backed stablecoin, along with instant transfers without banks, borders, or fees. Thank you guys so much for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel. Get yourself a Ledger Nano S. Support me on Patreon or join the Discord. Make sure to do all that stuff and hit the post notifications so you guys never miss a video or stream. And as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Always do appreciate your insight. And I'll see you guys in the next one.